Hi everyone. Today we'll learn to write a short essay in 10 lines on the topic rainy or monsoon season. Let's start. First line is India, being an agricultural country, welcomes the rainy season with enthusiasm. Second line is the rainy season brings relief to the mankind and the nature after prolonged summer season. Third line is the rainy season generally persists in our country from the last week of June to the middle of September. Fourth line is the monsoon brings rain and gives soothing relief to the sunburnt earth. With the arrival of rain, the trees and plants also become green and lively. Fifth line is the farmers being dependent on the rain grow new crops in this season. Sixth line is the rainy season is the best friend of the mankind, whereas at the same time it also has its own adverse effects. Seventh line is some of the adverse effects are the rain can bring floods, become a reason for landslides, and also the reason for ruining the farmer's crop due to excess rainfall. Eighth line is in case of waterlogging, it may also become the reason for many diseases. Ninth line is the adverse effects of the rainy season can be handled easily with the support of all people, especially when we know the time when it comes. 10th line is the rainy season is the harbinger of hope and prosperity. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and do like and share this video. Thank you.